Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Matthew and I appreciate you tuning in. It is Christmas Day, and we're not going to tie up your time. I know you're busy, just like we are, but it's a day that we put out a video, so we wanted to take just a minute and talk to you. So come right back, and I'll say a few things I want to say, and we'll get out of here. Okay, guys, appreciate you taking time out either on Christmas Day or day after. Watch this video. We're not gonna take up much of your time. Just wanted to take the opportunity to say thank you for all you people watching and commenting this year. It blows me away. We set some goals for the year and just exceeded them by miles, and that's all because of you people watching, subscribing, sharing, telling people. They got a new thing out. It's called Hype a Video. If you go into the description section and look, there's a little icon, and you can do a few a week off of your channel, whatever you're watching. If you would hit that hype button for Bearded Lumber, we'd greatly appreciate it. It's coming to the end of this year, starting a new year, and you know we got to set some goals for next year. And you know our channel is jumping leaps and bounds, and it like I say, it's all because you watching, and we don't take it lightly. I can look at our analytics and see how many people's watching, how many hours, and I appreciate it because I'm a content creator, but I'm also a YouTube subscriber. I watch YouTube. I don't very little on regular TV. I care to watch. Come racing season, I watch some racing. I'm not into ball. I got burnt out on baseball, football years ago. A lot of people love college sports. I really don't care to watch it. Comes on at a bad time of day for me, Saturdays. You know, same thing, football comes on bad time of day, Sundays, spending time with the family, different things. But we appreciate you watching. This is kind of the modern era of TV here, YouTube. And you pick what you watch just like I do. I watch something and say, nah. Then I watch people I like. And I like them because of their personality and what they're doing. I got kind of three standards I have: education, entertainment, and personality. If you kind of hit all three of those, then you're a win for me watching. And that's what we try to do here. You know, educate, a little bit of entertainment, and personality. You know, and I'm not personality being funny, joking, different things, just being real, who we are. I'm me, Matthew's him. If you come and meet us here one day, we're the same people in person as we are on TV.
We don't like being fake.
No, I told Matthew from day one, I said, I'll not be fake. I'll be me, and if nobody wants to watch me, then fine, we'll fail and move on with life. But y'all have proven that you enjoy watching, or you at least keep coming back watching. I hope you're enjoying. And if you get a chance, share our videos, tell your friends, family. We'd greatly appreciate it. But today's Christmas Day. Don't forget to spend time with your family. You're older today than you were yesterday. If you got parents still living, you know, don't take that for granted. I'm old enough now, I have no grandparents. And that's a weird feeling. You know, I grew up having two sets on both sides of my family, and they're all gone. And I'm down to my mom and dad, and I'm old, and they're older than I am, so enough said about that. Don't miss opportunity to spend with your family. Enjoy it. And definitely take a minute and understand why we celebrate Christmas. Christ wasn't born on Christmas, but that's the day we take out to celebrate that. we can argue about the date anytime you want to, but it's a day set aside to celebrate Christ's birth coming into this earth. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it for granted. Make sure you know where you're going to spend eternity, people. And we won't bother you with that, but make sure you know. Anything you want to add, Matthew?
We just got about 3 merry birthdays to do.
Yeah. My mother's a Christmas Eve baby. And, of course, I had a daughter on Christmas Eve. And then my oldest son, Michael, his day after Christmas. And then Dad's birthday is in January.
No, my birthday's in January.
Yeah, January. Matthew's is in January. So we go birthday right through. And then February's about as busy. So
It's every other day in February.
yeah, we got a whole passel of them in February. But what a wonderful thing to stop and celebrate, birthdays, family. So if you don't know by now, Solomon created a theme song for our channel, and I'm gonna have them drop it in here and maybe put it on a loop, and that's gonna do it. Guys, we appreciate you watching. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you back at the meal.
Merry Christmas from Solomon and Erica.
And Charlie.
Down in North Carolina, where the old oaks guard the hill, a father and son are running a mountain sawmill. Eric fires the wood miser, Matthew checks the grain, and that LT-70's rolling like a Carolina train. At the bearded lumber sawmill, the sawdust falls like rain. They're slicing up the big logs, making diamonds from the grain, with that sawmill humming and the kiln warm and still. Thanks for watching, we will see you back at the mill. Vader's barking early, Leroy's running wide, Rosie's kicking sawdust on the molder planer side. Eric's teaching Matthew, just like fathers do, how to read the life inside a log and cut it straight and true. At the bearded lumber sawmill, the sawdust falls like rain. They're slicing up the big logs, making diamonds from the grain, with that sawmill humming and the kiln warm and still. Thanks for watching, we will see you back at the mill. Kiln doors open, warm steam rolling slow, fresh cut timber laying out in perfect rows. YouTube's watching, folks tune in for the thrill of a father and his boy at the bearded lumber mill. Maple, pine, and walnut, cedar rich and red, they turn the forest story into boards that live instead. Every slab they measure, every beam they trim, echoes with the love between a father and his kin. At the bearded lumber sawmill, the sawdust falls like rain. They're slicing up the big logs, making diamonds from the grain, with that sawmill humming and the kiln warm and still. Thanks for watching, we will see you back at the mill. Down in North Carolina, working hard with skill, Eric and young Matthew, we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.